Good morning everyone. Today our lesson is playing with magnets. In the previous classes we have learnt about different types of magnets, uses of magnets and properties of magnets. So today our topic is attraction and repulsion between two magnets. To know this, we have to do one activity, that is, we have to take two similar magnets, place them in three different ways as shown in figure. After some time you notice that like poles, that means south and south, north and north. Like poles means south and south, north and north, repel each other. That means they opposed each other. But opposite poles, that means south and north, attracts each other. So by doing this activity, we can conclude that same poles of the magnets opposed ante opposite each other, and opposite poles of the magnets attracts each other. So that is attraction and repulsion between two magnets. Understand, children? Next, earth as a magnet. Children, you already know that earth is a big magnet. The crust of the earth has some permanent magnetization and earth's core generates its own magnetic field. So we could say that the earth is a magnet. So to know this, we have to do one activity. So that is, for this, to know earth as a magnet, we have to take one bare magnet. Place a bare magnet on a table in any direction, like this. Suspend another bare magnet over it, like this. The suspended bare magnet should be fairly close to the one kept on the table. The suspended bare magnet always comes to rest in the direction of the bare magnet placed on the table. But the north pole of the suspended bare magnet points south pole of the bare magnet kept on the table, as like the south pole of the suspended bare magnet points towards the north pole of the bare magnet placed on the table. In this case, the suspended magnet comes to rest in the north-south direction. So we can say that there is some magnet below the suspended bare magnet which compels it to come to rest in that particular direction. So the earth possesses magnetic property which acts upon the suspended bare magnet. Understand, children? By doing this activity, we can conclude that earth has a magnetic power and it acts like a magnet. See, children, earth seen like this when that possesses the magnetic property. Understand, children? So this is the earth as a magnet. So next topic is make your own magnet. Make your own magnet. To make your own magnet, first you have to take an iron nail and place it on a table. Make sure the nail neither attracts nor repels iron pins or iron fillings. You have to make sure that nail neither attracts nor repels iron pins or iron fillings. Take a bare magnet and place one of its poles near one edge of the nail. Without lifting the bare magnet, move it along the length of the iron nail till you reach the other end. Then lift the bare magnet, bring it the first end of the nail and move along the length again as shown in figure. So this process repeat to 20 to 30 times, like this, 20 to 30 times. Always move the magnet in one direction only. Don't drag the magnet back and forth. So now remove the bare magnet and bring some iron fillings or all pins close to the nail. What do you notice? What do you observe, children? The iron fillings or all pins get attracted by the nail. So children, by knowing this, by doing this, you have succeeded in making your own magnet. Understand? So this is the process to make your own magnet. So you have to try it at your homes and bring your own magnet tomorrow to our school. Okay children? So this is the make your own magnet. Once again I will repeat the topics today. Our first topic is attraction and repulsion between two magnets. That means like poles repels and unlike poles attracts each other. And another topic is earth as a magnet. And another topic is make your own magnet. So children, today our topic is completed. I hope you understand. Thank you.